Kayla and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I really appreciate it. In today's video, we are reviewing the new ColourPop Little Ray of Sunshine Sunflower collection. So I picked up one of everything from the collection aside from the eyeliner pencils. I just didn't pick those up. I didn't feel like I really needed those. I have other eyeliner pencils, so those are the only things I did not grab from this collection. And one of the lip glosses. The lip gloss that I picked up is the shade Always Sunny. This lip gloss retails for $7. It comes in a really pretty component. It is their ultra glossy lip formula. It has a little brush tip applicator, and spoiler alert, it smells like maple syrup. It smells like pancakes. It smells so delicious, so divine. I also picked up both of these Super Shock shadows in the shade In Harmony and Flower Child. You can get both of these eyeshadows together for $10, or you can get them separately for $6. I also picked up the Dry Shimmer Body Oil in the shade Lemon Drop. It is this absolutely beautiful light silver color with little flecks of gold and yellow in it, and it is absolutely stunning. Last but most certainly not least, I had to pick up the Little Ray of Sunshine eyeshadow palette. This is their first ever 9-pan all matte palette. It consists of warm natural shades and this really pretty sunflower themed packaging. Some of the sunflowers on here are textured, so when you shift it or when you touch it, you can feel the texture on them. And also on the packaging, we have all the shade names of the eyeshadows on the back, as well as underneath the actual shades. And this eyeshadow palette retails for $14. So I don't know about you, but I absolutely love warm toned colors. I love yellow eyeshadows. I have so many palettes with yellows in them, but I was very interested in this because this is like a yellow warm toned dedicated palette, and I don't really have anything like this. Not to throw shade or anything, but this is a very basic palette. I don't have any sort of confusion with it. It's so pretty, and you can create so many beautiful warm toned looks with this. I absolutely love the theme of this whole collection. I love the sunflower theme. It is just so cute. I love the font on the packaging. It's just so warm and bright and makes me feel happy. So if you like sunflowers, if you like makeup, if you'd like to see how to get this look and my thoughts and opinions on the ColourPop Little Ray of Sunshine Sunflower collection, then keep on watching. And before we get into the look, I will go ahead and do swatches of everything on my arm here for you guys. Here are all 9 shades from the Little Ray of Sunshine palette and both of the Super Shock shadows swatched. I don't know if it's only me, but I absolutely love dipping my fingers into these Super Shock shadows. They feel so soft and buttery. It feels good, you know what I mean? Alright, with all of that out of the way, let's go ahead and get into this look. So as you can tell, I already have all my makeup on my face. For foundation today, I did use my ColourPop No Filter foundation in the shade Fair 30. I also primed my eyelids with my P. Louise eyeshadow base in the shade Rumor 01. So the first color I'm going to use from the Little Ray of Sunshine palette is the shade Happy Place. This nice warm, almost like a muted yellow tan color on my Morphe M535 brush, and I'm just going to put this in my crease and use it as the transition shade. Now that I have that color laid down, I'm going to go ahead and go into the shade Sunnies, the really pretty yellow color in the center of the palette here. And I'm going to take this color on my Laura Lee Los Angeles L18 brush and put this in my crease as well, just right below where I put the shade Happy Place. Alright, now that is a very beautiful bright yellow. I love it. Next here I'm going to go in with the shade Vibey on a MAC 217 brush and put this in my crease as well. This color is just a little bit more mustardy and a little bit darker than the shade Sunnies. Now I'm going to take the shade Lemoncello. I can't read. So I'm going to take this shade on my MAC 213 brush and put this right on my outer corner. Now I'm dipping into the shade Chillin' on the same MAC 217 brush and putting this on my outer corner as well. Now I'm going to take a wee bit of the shade Sun Giant on the same MAC 213 brush and put this on my outer corner as well. Now I'm using my little fine tip Morphe M506 brush and lightly blending this in. Okay, now I think I'm gonna do a cut crease. Yeah, I'm gonna do a cut crease. I'm gonna take my P. Louise eyeshadow primer base in the shade Rumor 01 and just quickly carve out the crease. And I'm gonna be carving this out with a, what do we have here? With my Laura Lee L17 brush. Okay, I'm going to set the crease now with the shade Suns Out on my Laura Lee L19 brush. Now I'm going to soften the crease a little bit by going into the shade Sunnies on my Morphe M506 brush and just lightly placing this in the crease. Alright, so now we're going to play with these Super Shock shadows. I'm so excited to try these out. I got the little duo pack of them, so I got the shade Flower Child and In Harmony. What I'm gonna do first is take the shade In Harmony on a little flat concealer brush and place this on the outer portion of my lid. I'm gonna use my finger. Yeah, I'm going to take my finger and put this on the outer portion of my lid. Oh wow. I don't know about y'all, but I love ColourPop's Super Shock formula. It's just so good. I'm going to take a little bit of the shade Flower Child and put this on the center of my lid. And I'm just using my finger for this as well. Oh, this is really cute. So pretty. For my lower waterline, I did pop a little bit of the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk. For the lower lash line, I'm going to take my Morphe M506 brush into the bright yellow shade Sunnies and put this all along my lower lash line. Now on the same brush, I'm going to take the shade Limoncello.
I can't read. Stop it. Get some help.
And put this from the middle of my eye to the outer corner. Now I'm taking the slightest wee bit of the shade Sun Giant on my Morphe M508 brush and putting this right on the outer corner. And I am just stamping this color right below my waterline. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeliner and eyelashes off camera, come back and we'll get into the lip gloss and the shimmery stuff. Sorry, the Shimmering Dry Oil. Okay, so I went ahead and put on some eyeliner and some eyelashes off camera and I am feeling this. This looks so cute. I love the way this looks right now. For my lips, I did go ahead and use my NYX lip pencil in the shade Natural and my Too Faced Melted Liquid Lipsticks in the shade Sugar. Before we get into the lip gloss, I'm going to try using this shade Flower Child as a highlighter. I'm going to take my Laura Lee Los Angeles L15 brush and just see if I can use it as a highlighter. Oh yes, very glittery, very pretty. I love that. For lips, I picked up the shade Always Sunny. This is their ultra glossy lip formula. I've never tried this out before, so we'll see how it goes. It's this really pretty light baby pink color with like silver and gold flecks in it. I love the packaging on this. It is so cute. And it does have a little brush tip applicator. It smells like maple syrup. It smells so good. It smells like pancakes. I'm just putting this right on the center of my lips. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys out a little bit so we can try the Shimmering Dry Oil. Shimmering Dry Oil comes in the same really cute sunflower packaging, and it looks like this. Super pretty. It's like a very light silver yellow color, and it looks really watery in the component. I didn't think it was gonna look this watery, but okay. I guess I'm just gonna shake it up a little bit and put it on like the back of my hand here. Oh, it's very watery. I don't know if y'all can see that, but this is very, very sparkly. I love sparkly stuff. It smells so good. It smells like coconut. So I guess I'm just gonna put it like on my chest here. I know it looks like I'm not wearing a shirt, but I am. I want to bathe in this. Yes, I want to bathe in a glittery bath. It smells so good. Can you guys see that I definitely do have a slight subtle glow going on now? Alright y'all, and that is it. We have used every single product from this collection aside from the eyeliner pencils that I did not pick up. And I also only picked up one of the 2 glosses that they released just because they didn't really speak to me like everything else did. But altogether, everything that I tried, I absolutely loved. This lip gloss looks absolutely stunning on my lips. It's so pretty. It smells so good. And I will definitely be using this again. These Super Shock shadows look stunning on my eyelids. I'm so happy I was able to pick both of them up. And the shade Flower Child looks very, very cute as a highlighter as well. So that is a plus. This Shimmering Dry Oil, I did not think I was gonna like this at all, but it is so good. It smells so good. It makes my skin just look radiant and glowy and sparkly, but not like too sparkly. It's just so pretty, and I'm so happy I got this. Now for the eyeshadow palette, I absolutely love the colors in here. I love the packaging on this. I'm a big fan of yellow warm toned eyeshadows, and when I saw that they were releasing this, I had to have it. It is so pretty. It is their first all matte 9-pan palette, and I'm so happy that this is all mattes and that they released the Super Shock shadows as like a separate thing, because I, like most people, typically reach for matte shadows, and I think this is so cute. It's perfect for everyday looks. You don't even have to use the yellows in here. You could totally create a beautiful natural brown smoky eye with this palette, and I just think it's so cute. These are just basic everyday colors. They're easy to work with. They built on top of each other very well, and they were easy to blend out. So that is it for today's video. If you liked this video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Everything that I have on my face will be linked in the description box down below, along with all of my social medias. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Bye!